Alright, so just recapping here, what we're looking at here is the major 7th arpeggio, and we can see here that we've got root note, major 3rd, perfect 5th, major 7th, and that's what's indicated in through here. The triangle means major, so when you've got triangle 3 means major 3, triangle 7 means major 7. And then down here we've got the same corresponding thing, but we got the notes in there. Okay, so it's made up out of a G, a B, a D, and an F sharp, and that's what makes up our major 7th chord or major 7th arpeggio. So if we're building a chord, then we just have to have these notes in it. Okay, so here's a couple of examples here as to how we could play this sort of in and around open position. So the first one is this one. The first one that I've got in there is this, which has got a little bit of a stretch to it with that little finger having to reach up like that. And of course, I'm not playing these two low strings, and if I was to move that up and play that in a different key, if I was to play, say, up here, playing it in C, you've still got a major 7th chord, but now you've got a C major 7th chord, and of course it's easier to play because the frets are closer together. But what if we're looking for it in G? That's where we play. That's where we're playing that voicing. We've got some options. Here's another one. This one has an F sharp in the base of it, or an F sharp in the lowest part of the chord. And then a real easy one here, we could play open D, open G, open B, and then our F sharp there. And then that's the smaller part out of this larger chord, which would be this one. As with any chord, you want to try to place the fingers as much behind the frets as you can, within reason, best efforts anyway. You know, that one being a stretch, then it might be that that finger doesn't quite go 100% behind the fret, but best efforts.